Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how controller and view interact with each other. We will write a small square program to see this. So let us make one more controller. Let's say calculator. .php. Whenever you are naming a controller, it should start with capital letter, the file name. And here we are going to extend base controller, same how it is written in your book. So let's make a public function. So calculator homepage. So this is home. Now to go to calculator, we'll say calculator. Give the class name also, same class name what you have given to your file. So calculator homepage. Now I am not going to write the calculator in my URL, right? The user will not do that. So here on homepage only I want a link on which on click of which I should go to this calculator index page. So in home we can load a return a view. So you can show a view by returning it. So return view function, and here you will write your view name. So let's say I will say home view. So this same file name should be there. This same name file should be present in your view folder. So we'll make a new file home.php, and here we will just say HTML. And I will say home page. So let's see if it is working. Yes. So here now I want a link. So anchor tag, link for calculating, first calculator, right? So calculate or calculate, simple. And this href I will give where from where this calculate, on clicking of this calculate, where it should go to the calculator, right? So here I will write in PHP, first let us echo our base URL. So see, you have a calculator link, and if you can see in down left corner you can see localhost CodeIgniter 4.1.1. So I want to go to, from here, home. Instead of home I want to go to calculator. So I will write here the calculator name. So calculator is where I want to go, and I want to download the index only, so I don't have to give any method name. In case there is a method, I will have to give slash and then the method name to go to that. So let's check. So see, it is going to calculator homepage. Now this calculator homepage we have echoed here, right? Now here also we want to load some option, like we want to do a square. Okay, we want to calculate square. So maybe I can give a, I can load square view. So return view square or square form. You show me the square form on calculate. So same with same name. My view file should be there. So SQL form .php. So here we will write our form. Simple. I will have an input box. Enter a number. Type text. Name now. And it will have a submit type. Submit value, say get square. Okay. So see, calculator. So what is happening here? When I am at home, this is my home view that is being loaded here. And here I have a link. So whenever I am clicking on this calculate link, it is taking me to calculate controller, and from there it is returning the view square form. Now this form where I want to submit, now there I have one more method. Let's say in controller, in calculate only, I have a get square, get SQR function. So here let's just echo square logic. So I want to submit the form there. So my method should be post an action, same PHP, echo base URL, so here in calculator get square function. So see square logic we have gone. So now this 2 I want to get here in my controller. So how I can receive the data? You can receive it by get request, sorry, $this request get post. This is the function, and let's print what we are getting in the request. So see, in an array form I am getting my input in num. So now I can calculate this, correct? So let's say in square, $data square only, I will keep my result. Num star So see, I am getting the square. Now this I want to show in my form only. Here only I want to show my result. So what I will do, I will return the same view, return view sqr underscore form. I can return views, the same view as many times as I want, right? And now I will pass my data in form of array. So data and $data I will pass. So now to this view I am passing the data, and here in a separate div result I can print the same data. So PHP, inside PHP tags I will equal, let's print our data whatever we are getting from there. So whenever I am putting any data, see I am getting num, whatever I am entering that also I am getting, and I am getting the square as well. So now I can show the output as I want. So I can just echo square of $data num1, sorry num, is $data sqr. So this is how I can load I can take data from my form using $this request get post in my controller method, and I can pass the data or whatever calculation I have done after forming it, after performing the logic. I can pass my data in form of array to my view and show the same in my form or my view. I can write a separate view also. I can write a separate view page. So you can have as many views as you want, and the same view you can use multiple times if you want. So this is how we are separating the business logic from our UI, that is user interface. What we want to show to the user is not interfering with what calculations or what modifications of that data we are doing in the backend, that is in our controller.